Okay, so this is where I will be testing out the image, and it's going to be here. For the stabilizer, I tried a tearaway stabilizer. So this is just a blanket. I had made some blankets for someone, and this is an extra one, so I've been using it as my test blanket. So I'm going to test it on here. I'm not crazy about this tearaway stabilizer, but I'm going to see if it's going to work. It's doing the placement stitch. This is also an applique. Okay, so whenever my machine stops, I always check the bobbin, and I had to rethread it. So I'll take this off. I'll cut the thread. I'll take this off, and I will check my bobbin, and I will redo my bobbin just to make sure that's not the issue. This is the tearaway, and I don't know. It just seems a little loose to me. It just has a different feel than the not tearaway. All right, so let me turn it back on. All right, so now it wants a color change. Okay, so it asks for color change, but mind you, we are doing applique. So I'm going to take this vinyl and I'm going to peel the back. You can use vinyl, sequence, fabric, whatever you want to use. But I'm going to try the vinyl. So you take it apart. Okay. Then I have this here. Then I'm going to lay this down. Let the machine sew it down. Okay, so I have the vinyl laying up here. I don't have chopsticks, but this is called a spatula. I have a spatula and I have a screwdriver. So I'm just going to press it down, and hopefully, it stays in place for me. But you know what I didn't do when I first started? I didn't do a trace stitch just to make sure it wasn't hitting my frames, but it didn't hit the frame, thank God. But I should have done a trace stitch. It slipped my mind. Right, so let's go. Okay, so it just stopped. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to remove it. and take the vinyl off. A whole blanket over here. So here it is. I'm going to, I know they say you can just tear this off, but by it being, you know, paper stabilizer, cutaway stabilizer, not cutaway, tear. By it being tear stabilizer, I don't want to tear my stabilizer. All right, so I'm going to be cutting this off. And then I'll show it to you as soon as I finish with that. Finishing up and looks beautiful. Okay, so this is what it came out to be, and it looks good. I don't know if you can see it. This is just a sample. It says Mary. This is the letter M, and has a satin border around it, but I didn't trim it too good in this little spot. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna just go in and just trim that off, and it looks good. I'm very pleased with this. There's a lot that I can do with this type of design. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thank you, and have a good night. It's late, so I'm a little tired. I'm going to bed. Thank you. Have a good night. God bless.